Welcome to our DIY guide on creating a stunning tree ring using in-stock concrete blocks at Menards. Transform your landscaping with this simple and rewarding project. A complete list of tools and products used in this video can be found in the description below. First, plan and measure where your tree ring will go. Decide the diameter based on the size of the tree and the space around it. Tie a string around the tree and mark the circle with chalk paint. Prepare the base by digging a trench around the marked circle. The trench should be 5 to 8 inches deep and wide enough to fit the blocks. If your tree ring is on a slope like we have in this video, begin at the lowest elevation. A solid foundation is necessary to prevent settling and tilting. Fill the trench with a 4 to 6 inch layer of compacted paver base. This paver base will provide a solid foundation for the blocks to rest on. Once the paver base is compacted and level, check the depth of the trench with a block. The first course of blocks should sit 1 to 2 inches below grade to help further prevent the blocks from shifting. Some blocks may have a rear lip. Remove the rear lip with a hammer. Lay the first course of blocks on the compacted base. Level each block side to side, front to back, and across 3 full blocks with a hand level. A rubber mallet may be used to level and align the blocks. If you are building on a slope, you will need to step up the blocks by filling and compacting another 4 to 6 inches of paver base next to the first course of blocks. Add or remove paver base so the blocks are level. Place the next course of blocks and position them directly next to the first course of blocks and continue all the way around. With the first course of blocks in place, begin stacking additional courses. Dry fit the blocks to ensure they fit properly around the ring. You may need to cut some blocks for a perfect fit. After dry fitting, apply landscaping adhesive to secure the blocks. Repeat this process for each corresponding row, staggering the joints between the blocks for stability. Continue adding courses until you reach your desired height. Complete your tree ring with top caps for a professional finish. Begin by dry fitting the caps on top of the wall blocks. Make sure to leave a gap between each of them to allow for adjustments. Next, place one cap on top of another pair of caps. Position so the back corners are lined up and the front edges slightly overhang equally on both sides. Mark your cut lines where they overlap. Repeat this process for all caps around the tree ring. Cut along the marked lines. Dry fit the cut caps around the tree ring to ensure they fit perfectly. Make any necessary adjustments for a seamless finish. Apply landscaping adhesive to hold them in place. This simple step gives your tree ring a clean finish. Wait a minimum of 2 days before filling the tree ring. This easy DIY project not only enhances your landscape, but also brings a sense of accomplishment. Get inspired and start your own project today.